So how do you like the headset?
It's really cool, very comfortable. I like the design, very gamer-esque. Um, the sound quality is amazing. I can hear all the little tiny steps in my game. Very low latency audio, and it gets really loud too for those quiet moments. Uh, Here we have the dongle that helps it reach its low latency, so everything is there's no lag behind the sound. Everything's happening just as it happens. So with the dongle, it also lets me play with my PlayStation, which is great because that means I only need one headset to play with all of my consoles and computer. With a 20-minute charge, it gives me 2 hours worth of play, which is great because it's easy to just pick up and toss on anytime I have a chance to play. The mic quality is amazing, very easy to talk with other people. They can hear it's very crisp and very sound. Very good noise isolation, so I don't hear everything else that's happening around me, just what's in the headset. And I like how comfortable they are. I really like the LED lights on the side, very gamer-esque. The padding is very thick and very flexible, so it's very comfortable to wear for long periods of time, as well as the head cushioning on the top. It's very adjustable, so all my friends can wear it and nobody ever has a problem fitting it in. There's a little bit of a fabric in here, so it's very nice and breathable, so my ears don't get too hot. As well as the mic, very flexible and very far out, so it just gets my voice. It's really nice overall quality and very flexible, so if you toss them, won't be an issue with that. I hope you guys like this headset. It's very comfortable. I hope you guys find it to your guys' expectations. It's very great and very good value.